Blackbirds singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you only waiting for this moment to arrive. Blackbirds singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life you're only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of the dark black night. Blackbirds singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of the dark black night. There are places I remember all my life, though some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone and some remain. All these places had their moments with lovers and friends. I still can recall. Some are dead and some are living. In my life I love them all. But of all these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you. And these memories lose their meaning. When I think of love, there's something new. Oh, I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before. I know I'll often stop and think about them. In my life I love you more. In my life I love you more. Thanks a lot, everybody. The Beatles right there.